my webinar, 3 ways connecting 2D and 3D helps you design faster. I'll be the presenter. My name is Tian Robbie, and I'm the applications engineer working for Baker Baines. Who is Baker Baines? We are the fastest growing design and technology partner in South Africa. Autodesk authorized gold partner that specializes in a few fields. We are specialists in Autodesk CAM. We are a fully Autodesk authorized training center. We are the exclusive partner of AdoBar. We have been advocating blended learning for many years. We are the exclusive partner of CAD learning, online e-learning, and user assessments. We are a DivaTech IDaaS partner. We are an HP hardware business partner, Topcon partner, Leica BLK 360 partner, and BEE Level 2 company. At Baker Baines, we believe in designing a better world. We have a technological role to play in influencing the impact of design in today's changing world. In delivering a better project or product, we have the proven ability to engage with and consult with our clients to improve their delivery and of any project or manufactured product. In technology adoption to produce results. Technology is just a tool, but with our experience, we can ensure it produces tangible results that impact the bottom line. Our industry expertise, what are we good at? Buildings and construction, civil engineering and infrastructure, product design and manufacturing, and process plant, energy and mining. On the agenda for this webinar, number 1, connect 2D and 3D workflows. Number 2, improve design efficiency. 3, get more value from 3D. And number 4 is questions. You will see at the end of the webinar that my email address will pop up. So if you do have any questions after this webinar, please feel free to send me a direct email. The ends are more important than the means. Your work is judged by its output. Elegantly designed products that serve customers well, design cycles quick enough to edge the competition, and budgets and timelines that match reality. At the end of the day, the customer or the client will only see the end product, the output. So you'd always have to make 100% sure when you design that your output will be correct. But for you, the means are crucial. The right design platform powers your success. Every engineer has definite preferences and comfort zones, like a favorite pen or a favorite pair of shoes. Design in 3 dimensions, they said. It will be fun, they said. A new system removes expert level familiarity. Seems like overkill. Are we using a sledgehammer to swat a fly? What about my legacy data? You need the right application to do the right type of work. So let's say you know you're only going to design in 2D. It's not necessary for you to get Inventor, but only AutoCAD. So before you design something, always make sure that you do have the right software to design in. What if we didn't have to choose between 2D and 3D? The best solution would be a collection of interconnected products that allows easy switching between 2D and 3D. You can choose the right tool for the job. So it's easier for us to work with AutoCAD and Inventor together than struggling doing everything in 2D and designing everything in 2D to make it look like 3D. So when you design something in 2D using AutoCAD, you can easily put that design from 2D into Inventor to get a 3D model. The Autodesk solution builds seamless association between 2D and 3D platforms. AutoCAD and Inventor has interoperability built in. Keeps your data intact, integrate at your own pace, design in the tool that works best, and use 3D visualization when needed, even from 2D designs. I'm going to show you a video. Give me a few seconds. Right, sorry for the delay.
What you see isn't always what you get. Parametric 3D CAD can be
Right, there you go.
the difference between confusion and clarity, giving you intuitive models that make sense to designers and non-designers alike. Plus, there's more to 3D CAD than better design visualization. Your entire development cycle has something to gain. Adding 3D means you can spend less time on manual tasks and design changes, boosting the speed and efficiency of your design process. Connected 2D and 3D workflows ensure you always have the right tool for the job at hand, improving flexibility and reducing error. With the ability to perform advanced simulations, produce high-quality renderings and animations, create NC toolpaths for models, and generate documentation that automatically reflects design changes, you can get so much more out of your 3D models. These tools help designers work more efficiently, bring collaborators more in sync, and empower you to deliver more value to your customers from the first draft to the final delivery.
Okay. Right. So that was the video. So you could see in the video that they say is it's better to work with 2D and 3D software to make it easier for yourself and also at the end of the day be more productive. Number one is to connect 2D and 3D workflows. Choose the right tool for every job thanks to associative connections between AutoCAD and Inventor. You can easily generate 3D models from existing 2D design files, mechanical concepts, wiring diagrams, and large-scale production system layouts. So when you design in 2D in AutoCAD, you can always put that 2D design from AutoCAD into Inventor and use it as an underlay. And then you can design your 3D model from the underlay. Legacy data lives on. Reuse your library of 2D designs by referencing DWG files into Inventor as associative underlays that can be used to generate a complete 3D model. So when a client sends you a 2D drawing in AutoCAD, but they want to see the design in 3D, you can put that design into Inventor as an underlay, like I explained earlier, to design your 3D model. Design on one platform, visualize on another. Enjoy the flexibility of AutoCAD for fast mechanical concept design, then import the 2D concept into Inventor to create a 3D model for checking interferences and analyzing motion. Concurrent design made easier. Design your electrical and mechanical systems concurrently with a link between AutoCAD Electrical and Inventor. You can get a catalog of 3D parts mapped to components in the electrical schematic along with automated wire connections and harness layout. So add another dimension to source geometry created in AutoCAD by producing associative 3D Inventor parts. Use 3D models for advanced simulation, collision checking, renderings, and NC toolpaths, plus a number of additional downstream applications. You can always choose the right tool for the job with associative DWG workflows that enable seamless movement between 2D and 3D. Even if the geometry changes in AutoCAD, the inventor part will update automatically. Built at scale, then test easily. You can create large-scale production systems by placing components and optimizing factory material flow inside AutoCAD. Then automatically generate a 3D representation of the model inside Inventor that can be used for collision detection and visualization of the final design. Improve design efficiency. 3D, that's the Inventor, Autodesk Inventor part. The 2D is Autodesk AutoCAD, and those both equal a faster, more responsive process. At the end of the day, being more productive. Reduce time spent on manual tasks by adding parametric modeling to your development process. Handle late-stage design changes more easily. Automatically update all downstream deliverables and automate common modeling workflows. A change anywhere, updates everywhere. Quickly make design changes and immediately see updates reflected in the model by modifying the parameters that define the product's geometry. Create your 2D documentation and drawings as native DWG files in either Inventor or AutoCAD with bidirectional associativity. Now, the current state is in 2D only environments. You must manually redraw changes. This often proves tedious and time-consuming since there aren't any defined parameters nor modeling history. Forge tighter connections between design and the shop floor. Instantly update all downstream deliverables such as drawings, NC toolpaths, and bill of material whenever a 3D model is changed. Generate NC toolpaths with CAD integrated 2.5 to 5-axis CAM software that automatically updates to include design modifications. Now, the current state for this, in 2D only environments, many of these aren't delivered at all. If they are delivered, each one must be updated manually to reflect any changes to the design as it progresses. Get a level up in automation. Less time on drudgery equals more time to innovate. Automate common modeling tasks and control product configurations. Built-in rules-based design technology can easily define logic. No complex programming necessary. The current state, some degree of automation is available through the AutoCAD API and scripting. However, it can be difficult to learn and cannot easily be set up for complex product configuration. Number 3, get more value from 3D. Remove lost in translation issues by communicating in a more intuitive language. Secure buy-in and approvals from non-technical staff far easier. Produce high-quality renderings, animations, walkthroughs, or VR experiences of your product to convey the proposed design clearly. Improve productivity across the entire development cycle by using your 3D model to optimize performance. You can perform advanced simulations, produce high-quality visualizations, create NC toolpaths, and generate documentation that automatically reflects any changes to the original design. Now, not only does 3D modeling help the designer and end users visualize space requirements, but also improves drawing efficiency and accuracy. 3D modeling for design allows the designer to see what they would not see when designing in 2D. It gives the designer the ability to physically see how much real estate an object takes from all perspectives. When designing in 2D, the designer needs to create a separate plan and elevation view to see the space requirements of an object, which takes longer to do. Optimize design performance and easily reuse models. Perform advanced simulations of your invented 3D model for linear and non-linear stress, fatigue, vibration, thermal, and more. Easily reuse existing 2D and 3D models as the basis for future projects, eliminating the need to remodel existing components that may only need slight modifications. it is far cheaper to break things up and blow them up in virtual space versus the real world. So let's say in 2 years, you might need the same type of model you designed. You can just reuse this one and just make small changes if it is necessary. The world is flat and also round. The Inventor part, a 3D CAD software that offers professional-grade 3D mechanical design, documentation, and product simulation tools. The AutoCAD part, computer-aided design CAD software that architects, engineers, and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D designs. Now, the PDM collection, PDM stands for Product Design and Manufacturing, is a set of integrated 2D and 3D CAD, CAE, and CAM applications for product development and manufacturing planning. What Autodesk Product Design Collection can do for you: mechanical design, test, and manufacture products by using a rich collection of connected 2D, 3D, and cloud-based engineering and design tools. Electrical design, associatively connect 2D schematic data to their 3D model counterparts. An electromechanical workflow speeds the design process and helps reduce the likelihood of design errors. Factory design, convert factory layouts that were designed and optimized in AutoCAD into rich 3D models. Combine them with point cloud data to create a complete digital factory for review. CAE is the abbreviation for computer-aided engineering, which is the analysis of the design visualization. In short, the difference between CAD and CAE can be put this way. CAD is for designing a product, and CAE is for testing and simulating it. 3D Inventor plus 2D AutoCAD equals better together. Having only Inventor by itself is also very good, and AutoCAD by itself is also very good, but having the two software together is much better and easier to work with as well. Right, if you do have any questions when you are done watching the webinar, on the next slide you will see my email address, tian@bakerbains.com. Please feel free to email me, send me a question if you do have one, and I will reply as soon as I can. Thank you very much for tuning in.